So I was just chilling at home in my T-Rex suit, as one does, the other day, when I got a really cool special delivery at my door. The good people at Retrolife sent me this awesome turntable and hi-fi system. So I just want to take a quick minute to show it off to y'all. This R612 turntable and hi-fi system comes with some really cool features like the tone arm locks, it is a hydraulic Q lever, it's got ample volume, and it's got the ability to do Bluetooth. You can connect a Bluetooth device and play music through the speakers. On top of that, it plays all the records, whether it's 33 1/3, 45, or 78 RPM. It will play those records, and it includes a 45 adapter. So some of the really cool benefits of this turntable is that it's all in one. Really convenient to have everything come in one packaging, and it's a really compact size that fits really nicely on top of our piano. And look at this, the lid even closes to save more space. Another benefit of this turntable is that it's really easy to set up and it's super easy to use. On top of that, it's got a really cool retro design that I absolutely love. Overall, this is a great record player and something that I'd recommend to anyone getting into record collecting. Make sure to visit retrolifeplayer.com, see what else they have in the inventory, and use discount code STOOGE at checkout to save 5% on your order.